This is 787 Tactical Scorpion and just figured out the magazine problem, the issue. The issue is the cut on the magazine here is not as deep as the one on my left. This is the M&P 2.0 magazine that came with the carry cop. This is the one I purchased today. They both 17 rounders. The difference is on the cut behind the magazine, as you can see. Well, this one is more deeper. This was a little more shallow. The shape on this one, you get the shape on that one. You get the shape on that one. If you're having this issue, I guess I found the problem. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.